Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is IoT based distance measurement system using ESP32. So here we are using ESP32 HCSR04 ultrasonic distance measurement module. We are using 5 volts power supply, and the output we are showing on remote app, that is app.remoteme.org site. In that cloud server we are displaying the data, so it should be like this step. So ESP32 module and trigger and echo, it is connected with the D4 and D5. HCSR04 ultrasonic distance measurement module, it can measure up to 1.5 meters, and 5 volts power supply module. And here I am giving the 5 power supply. Let's start. Okay. So here you can observe the distance of the ultrasonic sensor, and we are monitoring on the garage. So this is app.remoteme.org site. In this site we created this icon and we are displaying the data. And here we are using ESP32. In that we given the token number, so we inserted the token number on this programming code. So 5 volts power supply module, ESP32, and trigger, it is connected with the 4, and echo, it is connected with the 5th, and we are sending the data to this site. So we can add ultrasonic 1, ultrasonic 2, ultrasonic 3, like garage 1, garage 2, garage 3. Like we can add number of units also. So presently I am doing only one. We can add LCD display also. With the LCD display we can see the data onto the 16x2 LCD display. At the same time we can display the data onto monitor. So you can watch this garage output anywhere in the world. So like you can go for a water level monitoring, tank water monitoring, or distance monitoring. So this it is connected with the Wi-Fi module, Wi-Fi router. So it is connected with my Wi-Fi router, and this module is also connected with the Wi-Fi router. So both we are seeing the data onto the, otherwise you can see the data through, if you remove it, and you can connect with mobile data. So you can monitoring the same data onto your with this site. You can monitor anywhere in the world with your mobile data also.